Okay, so I made flaxseed gel. It's been sitting out for some time, so it's a little watery, but I made flaxseed gel last time. And we shall see if this is a good alternative for our eco styling gel. So I think, well, I don't think, I know at this point, but I'm gonna go ahead and do a twist out using flaxseed gel, and we'll see how this turns out. Okay, so my hair was washed last night. I put it in a bun. I did not, I detangled it, but just finger detangling, so it's kind of back to being trifling. So what I'm going to do is spray with some water. Actually, I want to spray some leave-in in it. I see leave-in. Smells so good. Okay, so now that's in there, and I'm going to go ahead and put some of my oil in there. I gotta look right because I'm going to Vegas this weekend for a wedding, but that's why my nails and my hair aren't done, because you know you gotta wait till the last minute. So go ahead and put the oil on, especially on those ends. And then I'm gonna go ahead and section it, smaller section. Turn this baby back up. And this is what I'm working with. This is what I'm working with. I'm gonna spray a little water on this. It's not wet enough. Okay. So this is kind of before, as you can see. Now we're gonna see if this flaxseed gel is the truth or not. Y'all need to make sure y'all have a towel down because this stuff is messy. Some just dropped on my pants. So this is just what it looks like. Just finger detangling. So just doing a little something. There's a curl back there. So can you see that? Okay, now let me see how this does. Okay. So this is what my curls are looking like. Okay. So the curl is the truth. Now let's just see how this mess turns out tomorrow. So I'm gonna go ahead and twist this. Y'all know how to do twist out, so I don't think I have to explain. But let's go ahead and do that. And when I get to the ends, I like to comb this out again. Make sure it's smooth. Down and keep twisting. And again. Okay, twist that and yeah. Look at this. Ooh. You guys, this might be what's up for a wash and go. This might be very well what my hair has been asking for. Oh, these twists look juicy. They look juicy. So juicy. By the way, my water has peppermint oil in it and aloe vera juice. I think I said that in one of my videos, but just in case you didn't watch the other videos, I like to put aloe vera water or juice in my spray bottle. Sometimes a little bit of coconut oil, and I also just put peppermint to help stimulate that growth because I use that a lot. And then if you want to know what's in my oil bottle, go to my Instagram and look at my post about what I put in my oil this time. Ooh, child, honey. Honey, what is this? Ooh, I just dropped some on the floor. Ew. I don't even know where it went. I can't even see it. Get them edges up. I have this little peak that I hate because it don't never act right. Ever. Go ahead and take a look. Anything, little curl going on, little curl action. finished. So I want to show you guys how it just, look at my hands. Yuck. But let me tell you, it better be worth it tomorrow. I will say this. There's little films on like the back of my hand from this stuff. So I guess when it dries, you see how it gets filmy on your skin. Hopefully it doesn't leave like that kind of film in my hair. That's what I don't want. Hopefully it absorbs and it comes out beautiful and lovely tomorrow, because I could have just did a high puff and went on with the rest of my life. So what I will say though, so far this flaxseed, why are my words getting mixed up? Flaxseed gel has proven to be a good like curling product. I like the way that it makes the slip. All of my curls were easy. Sometimes when I use certain products, my ends are still bushy at the end, even like when I use a dimming brush. So this like totally took that away. All of my curls, all of my twists have neat little curls at the bottom, and they're the way they're supposed to look. They look juicy, they look hydrated, and I don't know. Okay, so I woke up this morning and my hair was not all the way dry in the top and the back, probably because I was laying on it, and it felt almost dry just as I walked out the door, but I didn't want to risk it. So I just I had a little headband on and I kind of just walked around like this until now. I have something to do later and I just want my hair to be bam lam lam. So I'm gonna go ahead and take these out, but I'm gonna start off by using my little oil. Putting a little, not a little bit, I actually have a lot. Go ahead and rubbing that through. I will say it doesn't seem like the flaxseed gel is flaking at all. There's a little bit of flake in the top, but I noticed after that I left a big clump right there. So as long as you don't leave big clumpy pieces that are not like well dispersed throughout your hair, you should be fine. So let's see what we are working. I'm still gonna put a little bit more oil on my hand. I just want it to be perfect. I just want it to be so perfect. So this one, so I'm gonna take it from the top and just unravel it. Well, that looks beautiful. I'm also gonna take it from the top. Honestly, these are a little hard to unravel that way just because of the way the gel is, but they look a-okay to me. Okay. Twists came out marvelous. Now I gotta separate them. Okay. Not gonna lie, I'm a little scared because my hair has a tendency to puff up, but let's go for it. So I'm just finding that separation where my hair wants to separate, and I'm just gonna go with that. If I don't want to separate, I'm leaving it. Oop, like that one. Now I just made a poof. And then I'm not gonna go crazy because I am going to Vegas this weekend, which means that I could separate more later for a fresher look. So here we are. I'd say that the flaxseed gel is lit. So lit, lit, lit.